You know what, guys? I could not take this away from you. And I love to hear myself talk, in case you hadn't noticed that. I know you don't believe it. I know, but trust me, I do. I love hearing myself talk. Naval engineering instructor, Great Lakes, 6 years. Imagine that. Anyway, watch this. Let's do this. Let's see if I can do both here. I'm going to try. All right, watch out for my fingers. So I've got my wrench on the tensioner. I'm going clockwise. Here it is. Watch this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Bam. And she is out of there, folks. It is literally that simple. And out she's coming. Look at that. Oh, sorry. So you can't see that. Here it comes. Look at this. And I've got, now, here I am thinking this is where the critical part of the belt is. Because I am thinking that if I feed the belt back down through here and then feed it under the crankshaft over to the right, I think we'll be okay. I think we're looking at a pretty good setup here. Although, you know what, my original thoughts, as far as, let's see, I am thinking I may have been incorrect. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to remove that pipe. I am thinking that's going to have to come out of there. That just doesn't seem like that's going to come out. But, you know, oh, damn. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so I'm going to, well, let's see. Let's give it a yank. Give it a yank here and a yank there and a yank here and a yank there. So here we go. We're coming out here. I'm going to push it down. Again, sorry for the sloppy video here, but I'm doing this by myself. And let's see, coming out from underneath the crankshaft here. Yeah, that's not going to come out. That is not going to come out. So I'm coming over here. I'm pulling. I've pulled it off of all the pulleys that are over here, and let's see. There she is. There she is. Okay, I'm gonna put my meat hook under here, guide it out from underneath. Oops. And out she comes. She's coming out. She's coming out. Yeah, that definitely is gonna have to come off of there. So here's the thing. So since I've got the video rolling, I've got you with bated breath, I'm going to take my fingers in here. Oh, can you guys see that? Oops, sorry. No way. Get the hell out of here. Seriously? Wow. And there it is. I took my two fingers. As you can see, can you see how it's separated? I took my two fingers. I didn't even need a pair of pliers. And you can see how I moved it to the side. Let me get down here. Get out of the way, you little bastard. Anyway, see that? Came right out. Slid it out to the side. So guess what? Watch this tube. Whatever it is. This drainage tube. Oop. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, your mother's ass. Alright, anyway, so guess what? This tube, look at that, comes right out of there, and the belt's coming out. So the belt's, I'm going to need both hands to get the belt out of there. But you saw it here, folks, on YouTube. Mike's channel. How's that? Let's call it that. You'll have to forgive me. The euphoria of this going much easier than I thought is really overwhelming. Because this thing, when I first looked at it, I was like, are you kidding me? And I was considering being the key word here, paying the $200 and having Porsche do it. But guys, forget it. This is, give me a break. All right, I'll show it to you once I get the new belt on. All righty, later.